While many young people tend to dream about large modern houses, here's a little treat for those who like to see some more traditional style with a little bit of historic touch. Looking like a fairy tale home, this huge, impressive villa is full of luxury. This grand residence, built in the style of a rustic Italian villa, and belies its magnificent size with an earthy, welcoming feel that makes you feel as if you've been transported to the Italian countryside. Villa del Lago is a bluffside residence with dramatic views of Lake Sherwood and Santa Monica Mountains. Landry Design Group designed this masterpiece of residential architecture located in Thousand Oaks, California. Set on a flat pad nestled against an oak-studded hilltop, this Tuscan-inspired residence was designed to take advantage of its dramatic rural setting overlooking the beautiful lake. The massive main residence sprawls over 23,000 square feet of living space with 6 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, and an over 7,000 square foot garage. The front motor court, waterfall, and ponds, combined with an infinity edge pool at the rear, create a connection to the lake in the distance. A master of space and proportion, architect Richard Landry was able to infuse warmth and approachability into what would have been an otherwise intimidating environment. Inside, Landry orchestrates a medley of private, semi-private, and public spaces that seamlessly flow together. A grand entry hall gives way to a 2-story great room. Covered loggias featuring bifold doors open up to the skies during warm weather. A 2-story stone wall's bulk and solidarity contrast with the refined wood paneling and the sexy curves of a circular staircase. Villa del Lago appears to be a home that has grown over time. Locally cut stone for the facade, reclaimed antique roof tile and wood beams from Italy, and stone floors that were collected from an abandoned chateau in France, all add an instant patina of history and a hint of old-world charm into the residence. The result is a house that is easy to live in and maintain, that blends beautifully with the natural setting. Cool glass adorns the floor of the media room, giving visitors a tantalizing glimpse of sleek cars sheltered within the stone walls and wood beams of the garage below. The Subterranean Man Cave is like no other, with incredible car garage that has 2 car lifts, car wash, and a multi-purpose use area that can be used to host events. The lounge has a bar with 5 televisions, a poker table, shuffleboard, a record jukebox, and an antique player piano. The first floor Grandmaster Suite offers his and her closets and bathrooms. The linear floor plan allows for views of Lake Sherwood or the Santa Monica Mountain from every room. Each room in the home opens to a resplendent yard. Infinity pool with 0 edge includes Baja shelf and in-pool seating. with fire pit and olive tree orchard, all on Southern California's answer to Lake Como.